We turn now to our election coverage. NEA Political Animals hosted a Q&A luncheon at the Jonesboro Regional Chamber of Commerce today. 3 candidates for Chief Justice of the Arkansas Supreme Court were there to talk with people in the community. I sat in on the luncheon to hear what they had to say.
I think 3 words describe me. I'm principled, I'm conservative, and I'm experienced.
I am the most experienced jurist that is here before you today. I have served for 18 years.
I have been an attorney practicing law for 27 years at the same small law firm in downtown Little Rock.
A Q&A luncheon in Jonesboro with candidates for the Chief Justice of the Arkansas Supreme Court. The candidates in attendance, State Supreme Court Justices Barbara Webb and Rhonda Wood, along with attorney Jay Martin.
The next Chief Justice really has got to stand and defend our Constitution and the Bill of Rights.
We can make differences, changes in our justice system that will make the justice system more accessible to those people who can't afford attorneys or don't have attorneys.
I care about the Supreme Court. I want to improve the justice system for the state of Arkansas.
Some in attendance wanted to hear from the candidates on how they felt about the nonpartisan aspect of the Chief Justice position.
And if people think when they come before us that because someone's been a Republican or they've been a Democrat in the past, that they're going to get a different kind of ruling for that reason, then I think we have a major problem.
I go places and voters are very frustrated and they're like, are you Republican or Democrat? I say, I cannot answer that question. Our judicial code does not allow it.
I think it's important that you don't let your politics get into your professional roles. And I think that's what the voters meant when they talked about electing people nonpartisan.
One of Webb's top priorities is access to justice, particularly through technology.
Whether it's through text messaging to people about their court hearings, and whether it's helping us deal with shortages of court reporters.
Making the court system more citizen-friendly is a focus for Wood.
And people think courts sometimes create problems in their lives, but we're actually there to solve problems.
Echoing his reason for pursuing the Chief Justice position, Martin explains his priority.
We've got to defend our values, and they're under attack. Our rights come from God, not from government.
State Supreme Court Justice Karen Baker was not in attendance due to unforeseen circumstances. We were able to speak with her in a Zoom interview after the event. She served on the court since 2011.
I think that's going to be important. We're going to need that experience at the head.
Her main priority, if elected, will be on the Judge and Lawyers Assistance Program.
I think the mental health of the bench and bar is the most important thing, because we cannot serve the public if we can't take care of ourselves.
She also spoke to the importance of the nonpartisan role of Chief Justice.
Attended both Democrat and Republican events in the past, but I haven't in my last 2 elections, and I am not going to in the future because I don't want anyone to think I'm trying to signal that I belong to one party or another.
You can find more information for each candidate on our website later tonight. Early voting begins on February 20th. Election Day is March 5th.